Hello guys, this is Ajit and welcoming you all on this map channel. Today I am going to share my knowledge which I gain through my self study or through the Vision IAS classes. Okay, might be this video might be helpful for those person who are not able to access the coaching institution. Okay, I'm going to start first of all the geography of class ninth. Okay, today I am going to explain the first chapter of geography of class 9. Okay, the name of the chapter is India, size and location. Size and location. Size means what is their extension on the globe. Location, that means what, where it is situated. Okay, so let's start. India, one of the ancient civilization in the world. Ancient civilization, you know what is the name of the Indian ancient civilization? That is the name of the Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization. This is one of the ancient civilization of the world. Okay, you know which one the contemporary civilization of Indus Valley civilization? That one is the Mesopotamian. Mesopotamian civilization. This is also lies in the Asian continent. Another one is the Egyptian civilization. This lies in the African continent. Okay, so these are the contemporary civilization, and these are the ancient civilization. India is one of them. Okay, clear? India got independent 15th of August 1947. 15th of August 1947. After that independence, India has progressed in many sectors like agriculture, industry, technology. In all sector has remarkable progress. After the independent, India has remarkable progress in all sectors. Okay, so these are the basic thing of India. Now just in the main aim of this chapter is to what is the location. We know the location and size of the India. Okay, so come to the point. Location on the map. If you are know the location, first of all you have to know the knowledge of latitude and longitude. What is latitude and what is longitude? Okay, so first I will explain what is latitude and what is longitude. Just see that. Wait. Suppose this is one is what, globe. Suppose this one is what, globe. It is not exact circling. Wait. Okay. Suppose this one is globe, not exact circle. You all already knows the globe is what? It is the bulge in the middle part and flat on the pole portion. Okay, but here just to understand the latitude or longitude, I just draw this type of diagram only. So this one is what? North pole. Sorry, this one is what? North pole. And this one is what? South pole. Clear? South pole. So first of all, know what is longitude. The imaginary line. These longitude and latitude both are the imaginary line which is drawn on the globe. Okay, this is not the exact line which is drawn on the world. Okay, this is only drawn on the globe to know the location. Okay, so these are the imaginary line on the earth. Okay, so longitude, first of all you know longitude, the imaginary line which run from north to the south, north pole to the south pole. Okay, these are termed as the longitude. These are the longitude. All the longitude just meet at where? You can see that all the longitude meet where? Their poles, north poles and south pole, starting from north pole and ending at the south pole, and all the longitude meet where? North pole and south pole. This is the longitude. Okay, longitude run from where? North to south, and that meet where? At the poles. Okay, latitude, which run from west to east, and these line latitude never meet to each other. These are parallel to each other. Okay, latitude are what? Parallel to each other. These are the latitude. Latitude run west to east, and these are what? Parallel to each other. They never meet. But longitude run north to south, but they meet at their poles. Clear? With the help of latitude and longitude, one structure is formed. You can see that this structure. You can see this structure is termed as grid system or grid structure. You can tell. You can say that grid system. Grid system. Grid system or grid structure, you can tell. Okay, and that will be help to know the location of any country. One thing also I remind you, the 0 degree, this one is what? 0 degree latitude is termed as what? Equator. This is also termed as equator. 0 degree latitude also called equator, which divide the whole globe in two parts. Northern, one is the northern hemisphere, this one is this part, and this part. This part is termed as northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. And this part is termed as what? Southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. Okay, remind these things once. Just care about these things. Just listen about this thing. 0 degree equator divide the globe in two parts. One is the northern hemisphere. Northern part is termed as northern hemisphere, or southern part is termed as southern hemisphere. Clear? And some important latitude. This one is equator. One is what? Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree north is Tropic of Capricorn, or sorry, Tropic of Cancer. This one is Tropic of Cancer. Sorry, Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. And 23.5 degree south is termed as Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. See, just remember these things. Tropic of Cancer is this one, that is in northern hemisphere. Tropic of Cancer is in the southern hemisphere. What is that address? 23.5 degree north is what? Tropic of Cancer, and 23.5 degree south is Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. Now one thing also you just know, 0 degree longitude. Suppose this one is 0 degree. 0 degree longitude is termed as prime meridian. These are the important term relating to this one, prime meridian. Longitude is also known as meridian. Longitude is also called as meridian. Okay, so clear that thing. That means 0 degree latitude is called equator. 0 degree latitude is called equator. 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian. Clear? 0 degree latitude divide the whole globe into part, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Clear? Latitudes never meet, they are parallel to each other. Longitude meet at the pole. Clear? All points are clear up to here. Now come to the topic. So to find the location of any country or any area on the globe, we have to know their latitude and longitude. Okay, their latitude and longitude extension. extension. Now come to the for India, what is their latitudinal extension and longitudinal extension. Here you can just see this is yellow color. This part is drawn by yellow color, that is India. Okay. Now come to the point. What is their latitudinal extension? First of all, know the latitudinal extension of India. Latitudinal extension of India. What is that? Latitudinal, that means from here to here. You can see here the India from here to here. What is their address? So latitudinal extension from here to here. That this one, the lowest part, that means what? 8 degree 4 minute north, and the northest part of India is what? 37 degree 6 minute north. India lies in the northern hemisphere. You can see that this one is what? 0 degree equator. Or India whole part lies in the what? Northern hemisphere. That's why its address is what? North. Here is clear. So India's extension, longitudinal extension is what? 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north. You can just see that 8 degree. This is read at degree 4. First only one comma is there, inverted comma is there, that is read at minute. Okay. And also things, just remember that 1 degree equal to 60 minute. Clear? This is, just remember this. Clear that one? So India latitudinal extension is from what? 8 degree. This one is what? 8 degree 4 minute north to, this one is what? 37 degree 6 minute north. This is the latitudinal extension. Now come to the longitudinal extension. Clear? Longitudinal extension, that means from here to here. Okay. Longitudinal extension. Longitudinal extension of India is 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. That means this portion is what? 68 degree 7 minute east, and this portion is what? 97 degree 25 minute. That means both are in east. That means what? It is the right side of the prime meridian. This is the prime meridian, 0 degree longitude. That is the prime meridian, and the both longitude of the India is what? In east. That means it is the right side of the prime meridian. Okay. That means India is located in the eastern part of the globe, not on the western part. This is the western part. Prime meridian also divides the globe into two parts. That is the western part, and this one is the eastern part. So India is in the eastern part. Clear? So we know the what is the India longitudinal and latitudinal extension. Well, also one thing I just explaining here. IS let's India. Clear that things? Latitudinal extension and longitudinal extension of India is clear. Okay. Now come to the size. Size, that means what is their extension in, what is the amount of the, what is the area of India, what is the amount of area what the area India content, what is the, okay, the India area on the world map is what? 3.28 million square kilometer. This area is amount, this is what? Only 2.4% of the world area. By the area, India's position is the 7th. Okay, India is the 7th largest country according to area, but by the population, India is the second largest country after the China it come. Okay, and China, by the area, China is the 4th largest country. Okay, I am just here writing the name of country which is larger than India by the area. First, area wise, the first largest country is Russia. This one will be Russia. This one, the first largest country of world is Russia by area. Okay, area wise, this is the first. Second one is the Canada. Here is Canada. Canada lies between the USA. This part will USA and this part is USA, and between these two part, this one is the Canada. Okay. Third is the USA. Fourth one is the China. Fifth one is the Brazil. Sixth one is the Australia. And seventh one is the India. Okay. So there are 6 countries which are larger than India. Okay. In case of area. Okay. But in case of population, India is at second position after the China. Clear? This thing is clear. So come to the point here. Here is also in graph you can show that. See that you can. Russia, which contains 17.09. Russia area is how much? 17.09 million square kilometer. Okay. Then Canada, then Russia. You can see Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia, and India. India's area is how much? 3.28 only. Just compare with the Russia. If you will compare, Russia is around 6 times, approx 6 times greater than India in case of area. Russia is 6 times greater than India around. So this is clear. Now just one thing, just note, India's land boundary is around 15,200 kilometers. These boundaries, its extension is around how much? This one extension is 15,200 kilometers, and its coastal boundary, coastal extension, coastal boundary, coastal boundary length is what? 7,516. This one is the coastal boundaries. Its length is how much? 7,516 kilometers. These are the coastal length and these are the land boundary length. Okay. One thing also, I am telling that India's length from north to south is how much? 3,214 kilometer, and west to east is how much? 2,933 kilometer. Okay, that means the north to south extension is larger than the west to east. Okay. One thing also, 82.5 degree longitude is termed as the standard meridian for the India. Okay. 82.5 degree north east. That means longitude is termed as the standard meridian. This one is the standard meridian of India. Okay. So time zone, we are in India, just time zone is considered through this meridian. Okay. You one thing we know that going from one meridian to another meridian, that means this one is meridian, this one is what? Meridian, this one is meridian. Going to one meridian to another meridian, that time is taken 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minute time is taken. Meridian also help to find out the time zone. It help to find the time. Suppose in this time, suppose at 5 o'clock in India, there is 5 a.m. 5 and 30 am. Suppose in India there is 5:30 a.m. That the same time in Britain will be 12 o'clock in the night. 12 o'clock at night. 12 o'clock at night. Okay, that means Britain is 5 hours 30 minutes lag behind by the India. That means India is ahead 5 hours 30 minutes from the Britain. So how we will calculate? We can calculate through the help of this meridian. Okay, 0 degree longitude, that is called as prime meridian, which is passes through the Britain, some Greenwich, that is the area that is known as Greenwich, which passes through that one, and that is considered as the 0 hour. Okay, after we are moving, suppose here there's this one. Here you can see this one is prime meridian. When we will move right of this one, this side, if you will move, that means ahead, going to the ahead of the time. And if you will going moving this one, this area, the time will be going back side. Okay, this is that. Suppose we are going to the 60 degree. Here I will find the time. Suppose here is 5 o'clock, 5 a.m. Here is 60 degree. Then that same time we will just find the time of the here. That means 60 degree. That means we know na. We know that moving from one meridian to other meridian, we get how much time? 4 minutes. So here is what? 60 degree. So just 5 divide by 4. 60 degree just divide by 4. What is the time? If you divide by 4, you will get 15. Sorry, we will, here we are not dividing, sorry. So listen, we are moving from one meridian to another meridian. We are taking how much time? 4 minutes. So we will moving from 0 to 60 degree. That means it will take how much time? 60 into 4 na, we will multiply here. So how much time it will take? 240 minutes. 240 minutes, then divide by 60. That means 4. That means it will take how much? 4 hour ahead. That means the area which is under this one, 60 degree meridian, the time will be where what? 4 hour ahead of that this one. Okay, this, in this way we will just find out the time zone. So India considering 82 and half degree, 82 and half degree east as a standard time, which is how much ahead? 5.5 hours. If you will calculate, and if you will just find that it is 5.5 hours ahead by the prime meridian. Okay, so generally our so if the in Britain that there is 5 o'clock a.m., then in India there will be 10:30 a.m. Okay, so India is 5.5 hours ahead. Okay, also in India there is a time problem. Suppose in Gujarat and here is Assam, there is around 30 degree gap, around 30 degree. That means if you 30 degree, that means how much time gap? 30 into 4, that means 120 minutes. That means 2 hours. So the gap of timing is from Gujarat to Assam is 2 hours. Okay, so that means if in Gujarat there is 6 a.m., that time in Assam will be, Assam is ahead than the Gujarat. So at Assam there will be, in Assam there will be 8 a.m. Okay, but in India 82 and half degree east uh, longitude is considered as the standard meridian. Clear? So this is, so our India, whole the country, the time is followed through this meridian. Okay, this is, that's why it is called standard meridian. Clear? Now come to the point here. You can see here Tropic of Cancer, very important. Tropic of Cancer it passes through eight state of the India. Just memorize which state it passes. Okay. Many times the question comes from here. Okay. The Tropic of Cancer pass through the eight state of the India. First one is the Gujarat. It passes through Gujarat. Very less area of Rajasthan. It passes through very less area of Rajasthan. Okay. Then Madhya Pradesh, then Chhattisgarh, then Jharkhand, then West Bengal, then Tripura and Mizoram. You can see eight states. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Tropic of Cancer passes through eight states of the India. Just memorize that. Which that state are? Gujarat, this small portion of the Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Clear? Now come to the neighboring country of India. Okay. First of all, this one is Pakistan, our neighbor country. Nepal is neighbor country. China is neighbor country. Bangladesh is neighbor country. Bhutan is neighbor country. Myanmar is neighbor country. Afghanistan is neighbor country. But this area is disputed. Okay. So it is disputed area, so we can't exactly say Afghanistan is sharing boundary of India or not, because this is disputed area. Okay. Another that this is one Sri Lanka, Maldives. These are also neighboring country. Okay. The southernmost neighboring country of India is what? Maldives. Clear? One thing, remember this. Bangladesh, which share largest boundary with India. This is a very important question. Bangladesh share largest boundary of India. Okay. Clear? These are our neighbor country. This China. Here is Sri Lanka, which is divided, which is separated from India through the strait. A strait means what? A strait means the narrow passage of water. A strait means narrow passage of water. This is a narrow passage of water. This is called a strait, and this strait is termed as Palk Strait. Palk Strait. Okay, that separate Sri Lanka from India. Okay, very important. This one. Remember this Palk Strait. The name of a state which is between the India and Sri Lanka is what? Palk Strait. Okay, remember that. India southern part has taper-like structure, and which divide the Indian Ocean into part Arabian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. In Bay of Bengal, we can find what? Andaman and Nicobar Island, and in Arabian Ocean, Lakshadweep Island. These are the Union Territory of India. Okay. So where the Andaman and Nicobar are find, you can find Andaman and Nicobar in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep where in Arabian Sea. Also, the southernmost point of India is Indra Point, which is in the Andaman and Nicobar. Here it will be. This is the southernmost point of India. This is called Indra Point. Indra Point, which is in Andaman and Nicobar, and this point is right now the condition of this area is that it is submerged in ocean. Okay, this area is submerged in the ocean, and this is the Indra Point. And northernmost is called Indra Call. Clear? Now the lecture is end. Now I am just discussing. I will discuss only the objective question, not that one answer. This one only I will explain here the objective question. Okay. If you have any doubt, then you will be mention in the comment box. We'll try to make separate video for the clearing of that doubt. Okay. Now come to the point. The Tropic of Cancer does not passes through which of the state? I already explained that one. The Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states. We just take from left to right. First one was Gujarat, little part of the Rajasthan. I told Rajasthan. That means it will be not there. Then Madhya Pradesh, MP. Then Chhattisgarh. That means it will be also not there. Then Jharkhand. Then West Bengal. And then Tripura. it will be also not there. Okay, and 8th one is what? Mizoram. So through elimination, if you are not memorized exactly, so elimination method you can also apply it in objective type question. So this one will be, this one will be, this one will pass, and Odisha will not pass. So answer will be what? Odisha. Here is telling what is the easternmost longitude of the India. I already explained this thing also. Suppose this one is India. So easternmost. Which one is the easternmost? This one is the easternmost. Na? So what is the extension of this one? We already tell the extension. This one is the 68 degree 7 minute, and this one is what? 97 degree 25 minute. So they are asking easternmost. This will be easternmost. So this, if you ask the westernmost, this will be the westernmost. Clear? Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal and Sikkim have the common frontier: China, Nepal, Myanmar, and Bhutan. You can see Myanmar is this side area, and Bihar is in this area. So you can eliminate Myanmar will be not. Bhutan will be here, and Uttarakhand will be Bhutan. Here is Bhutan, sorry here, and Uttarakhand is this side. So Bhutan will be also not. China is also not. Nepal is the only boundary you can see here. Nepal, you can see here is what? Myanmar, so it will be eliminated. Bhutan is here, and Bihar is here. Bangladesh is between the Bangladesh, Sikkim. These are state coming, so it will be not there. Only Nepal, you can see that only Nepal are share the boundaries with Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. It is part of Bangladesh and Sikkim. Okay, so correct answer is what? Nepal. If you intend to visit Kavarvati during your summer vacation, which one of the following union territories of India you will be going to? Kavarvati, you know, it is the capital of our union territory. The name of that union territory is Lakshadweep. So here answer is the Lakshadweep. Okay. The capital of Puducherry is Puducherry. Capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair. Capital of Daman and Deep is what? Daman. Clear? So here is what? Going to the Kavarvati, and Kavarvati is the capital of Lakshadweep. So answer will be what? Answer will be Lakshadweep. Clear? Clear? My friend hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify the country. So which country not share boundary with land? Bhutan is sharing, Bangladesh is sharing, Nepal is sharing, but Tajikistan is not sharing. So exact answer will be what? Tajikistan. Clear? This is the answer of. This is the exact answer. Tajikistan is not sharing the boundary with which one? Our country. Clear? So all the objective question I solved. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you just find it is beneficial for you, then just subscribe my channel and share this one, and also like and comment. If you find, if you just give any suggestion, just write in the comment box, and also you have any doubt, then also write in the comment box. Thank you.